So basically change operating mode will allow us to go from shuttle mode to spinner mode to manual mode. If we go to manual mode, the issue here is that you might then not be able to detect from the SampleJet, or you certainly won't be able to detect from the SampleJet whether there is anything in the magnet. So when the sample is put into manual mode, it simply checks there's nothing in the top of the BST, and then you are free to load your samples at the back of the BST. So you can slide this panel up at the back. Be able to access the BST as you would normally. Just bear in mind that you'll need to make sure to turn the lift on and off like you would normally in the BSMS. So if you want to change back to SampleJet operating mode, you can do so, but you have to make sure that the SampleJet, that the probe is empty and there's nothing in the spectrometer, because it won't be able to detect that there's anything there. So I'm going to set it back to spinner mode, and when I've set spinner, what it is asking me is its warning. It's just warning us that there is no way it can tell that something's in the magnet, so we have to hit continue. And then the spinning disk, it will change operating mode.